So now let's see how we can work around with the buttons block inside of wordpress.com's editing area. So now let's say I want a button right around over here on this section. So as I hover over, you can see that I get the add block option. Simply go ahead and type in button, let's say for example right here. So let's just go around and then type in the correct spelling for it. Then you can see that buttons block is an option right here. Click on it, and then what happens is that you simply have a button. So let's say for example I'm going to say Wikipedia right here just like this, and then this is a button. You can go ahead over here and let's say for example change it out into wide, or like justify it out on the center and so forth, as you can see right here. So what you can also do is basically this is a button, so it is clickable, so you can go ahead and add in a link. So over here, let's say for example, I'm going to type in www.wikipedia.org right here, just like this. And then the button has been linked out. You can go ahead and bold this out over here as well, and italicize this out as well, and then change around the settings according to how you want. So this is all that you have right here. And then you can go ahead and save this. And if I were to go around over here, go around onto let's say for example preview in new tab, then what happens is that this is what you have. So you can see that this is a button, and as I click on this, it actually goes ahead and redirects it out onto the next page right there. And that is how you can work around with the buttons block inside of wordpress.com. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always please like, comment, share and subscribe.